भाई जी अज बहुत इंजॉय किया। इतने कद्दू करना सी, ट्रैक्टर लैके ट्रैक्टर फस गया। उस तो बाद काशी भाई आए ट्रैक्टर कढ़ाने वास्ते, वो भी फस गया। मुड़ के जनाब नासर भरा आ गया, डॉक्टर मुबशर साहब आ गया, डॉक्टर माना साहब साग भुट्टा भाई आ गया। फिर ट्रैक्टर नाल जी हुई वो तो हुई वो तो लिबड़े ही लिबड़े आ। जी मुड़ के फिर साढ़े अपने आप नाल हुई आ, वो भी तुहाडे सामने ही आ। अगर तुहानू ब्लॉग तुहानू वीडियो अच्छी लगे ना, क्योंकि कीता शुगल मजाक, अगर अच्छी लगे इनू लाइक करना, कमेंट करना और इनू शेयर करना वीडियो नू। लव यू।
Four-way match scheduled for one fall, and it is for the Universal Championship. Introducing the challengers. First, weighing in at 385 pounds, Braun Strowman. Next, from Huntington Beach, California, weighing in at 282 pounds, Samoa Joe. Next, from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, Roman Reigns. And from
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Heyman. Tonight, fighting out of the Conqueror's Corner, the reigning, defending, undisputed Universal Champion, Brock Lesnar!
Ladies and gentlemen, there is over 1,000 pounds of WWE superstars in this fatal four-way match tonight. In the ring, no disqualification, no countouts.
I assure you, we are not on Skull Island. We are in Brooklyn, New York. Monsters are real. There are beasts, there are big dogs, and there are destroyers. This thing may flatten the entire city.
And there are 16,128 WWE fans packed into the Barclays Center tonight. Lesnar, Strowman, Joe, Reigns, fatal four-way for the Universal title. And here we go!
Here we go, guys!
Strowman goes right after Reigns, Joe right after Lesnar.
The hostility between all four of these superstars is palpable. All four want to destroy one another. Look at Joe bringing the fight.
Oh, baby! Suplex by Brock. Remember, Samoa Joe came within a whisper of winning the championship at Great Balls of Fire in a match against Lesnar. Oh, and Strowman off the steel post. And think about what Reigns and Strowman have been through over the past number of months.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Oh, he's caught. It's a call-out moment right here, guys.
And you saw Lesnar's body language before the bell, like a caged animal waiting to be unleashed.
And we have been waiting for this for a long, long time.
You're talking about ways to lose for Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar knows nothing but winning. I mean, he went into the UFC and beat Randy Couture, an Olympic caliber grappler. You gotta love it.
Lesnar, German suplex. Brooklyn's now Suplex City.
New York may have to add a sixth.
Oh, my goodness.
Brock Lesnar is incredible.
Is it too late to change my pick? Oh!
You sure you want to?
Good luck trying to suplex the monster among men. And did you see the look in the eyes as they grew wide of Brock Lesnar?
Oh.
And Roman Reigns and Samoa Joe back into the ring.
Crossing flight paths to take out prospective opponents. Look at this. All four of these juggernauts trying to flatten one another.
Clothesline from Lesnar. And now once again, Strowman and Lesnar square off.
These two behemoths are going to lock horns.
Oh man, you can feel it in here. It is electric. Corey, I have waited a long time for these two men to lock horns.
Here we go.
And these two big bulls are going at it. Strowman with a splash to Lesnar.
Did you see that?
And Strowman now driving Lesnar over the top rope. The beast is down. And a roar from Strowman.
What I'm talking about, guys, that's that destructive force in Braun Strowman.
Here comes Reigns.
He's going to send Strowman, or try to anyway, but Strowman just like that shoves the big dog away. Oh. And there's the quickness of Reigns.
Roman's going to need a whole lot of that.
Coquina clutch on Brock Lesnar. Lesnar's in trouble outside the ring.
Samoa Joe won't win the title if he puts Lesnar to sleep out here, but he'll certainly eliminate the Beast through the barricade. There comes Samoa Joe looking to capitalize on the...
That's your pick right there, Corey, right?
Absolutely.
And now Strowman
that goes
Joe
your
on the
pick.
table.
All along, no one can touch Braun Strowman.
This could be catastrophic tonight.
God hope Strowman uses Saxton as a weapon.
And Strowman now. One can only imagine what the monster among men has in mind. And now look at Lesnar trying to pick up part of that wall, but again blasted by Strowman. That's the Universal Champion Lesnar who's in trouble. And look at how Strowman just with ease picked Lesnar up on his shoulder.
I don't think Brock Lesnar has ever been manhandled like Braun Strowman's doing right now.
Lesnar a running power slam through the table.
Tell you guys, I've been in this business a long time, and I've never seen a man like Braun Strowman ever. Wow.
I'm shocked.
Someone get FEMA on the phone. I think we're going to qualify after this disaster.
I mean,
My
Braun
God.
Strowman just drove Lesnar through the announce table with a running power slam.
I tell you guys,
Roman Reigns, though.
it was a night to make your career. This is it right here, SummerSlam 2017.
Look out from behind.
This is awesome. Oh, my God.
Jet flying through the ropes.
As was just made evidently clear, you need to have eyes in the back of your head.
But guys, let's put this in perspective. These are huge men, all of them near 300 pounds, and they're flying around out here like cruiserweights.
Said jumbo jet. That was like a C-130 right there, Cole.
Good call, but Lesnar trying to just crawl out of the wreckage. Oh, wow. Chair for Reigns and Joe. I mean, this is absolutely insane.
Joe caught the brunt of it too, man. He caught the brunt of that chair right to the face.
Strowman might put Mayflower and Old Dominion out of business. He's just rearranging the entire world.
Brock has no idea where he is. Strowman again turns his attack to Lesnar. Again with Lesnar on his shoulder. He is manhandling the Beast.
Let's say
And
that
again,
again.
Lesnar driven through the table. Another running power slam.
Never seen anybody handle Brock Lesnar like this.
This is unfamiliar territory for Lesnar. It's got to be. Brock Lesnar came into this match with a giant target painted on him. All three challengers are going right after the Beast.
As well as Corey, a big chip on his shoulder.
Corey, I have covered Brock Lesnar's entire career here. Since the day he arrived on the scene, I have never, ever seen Brock Lesnar in this state manhandled this way by one human being.
Let me correct you, Cole. Brock Lesnar hasn't been manhandled. He's been monster handled.
Watch this. This was the first one. The running power slam by Strowman. And then as Brock somehow made his way out of the wreckage back to his feet, this happened.
There is no way on earth that a human being can survive what Lesnar just endured. We are about to truly find out what the Universal Champion is made of.
16,000 strong at Barclays Center on their feet in awe of the monster on the mid.
ਇਹ ਭਾਈ ਦਬਾ ਕਰਿਓ ਅਖਤਰ ਦਾ ਝੋਨਾ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਹੋ ਜਵੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਲਾਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲਾਇਆ ਨਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਹਾਈਬ੍ਰਿਡ ਉਹ ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਬਾੜ ਉਹ ਨਵਾਂ ਲੱਗੇ ਲਾਉਣ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਭਾਈ ਪਾਣੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਦਵਾ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਭਈਆ ਦਵਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਅਖਤਰ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੜਿਆ ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਕਿ